In this tutorial, we'll show you how to use the Select button to bulk add or remove items in collections. The Select button allows you to add multiple recipes to a collection at one time. You can also use the Select button to delete multiple items from a collection or add multiple items between your collections. To add multiple recipes to your collections, first start in the Recipes tab. Apply your desired filters. And click the Select button. From the list view, select all of the items you'd like to add to your collection. Click on the Add to Folder button and select at least one or more collections you'd like to add your selected items to. Then click the Add button. If you haven't yet created a collection, you can follow the same steps. From here, click Create Collection, give your collection a name, and add the recipes to your newly created collection. You can also use Select to delete multiple items from a collection at once. Click Collections and select the collection you'd like to delete items from. Click the Select button and from the list view, select all of the items you'd like to remove from the collection. Once all of your items are selected, click the Remove button. And finally, you can use Select to add multiple items from one collection to others. Select the collection you'd like to add items from. Click the Select button and from the list view, select all of the items you'd like to add to another collection. Once all of your items are selected, click the Folder button. Select one or more collections you'd like to add the items to, and then click the Add button. And that's how easy it is to bulk add or remove items from your collections using Select.